Are you ready to turn up the heat in your relationship? Cooking can be a powerful love language that speaks volumes without uttering a single word. Here are 5 ways to use cooking to connect with your partner and deepen your bond. First, cook together. Collaborating in the kitchen can be fun and intimate, allowing you to share laughter and create lasting memories. Second, make their favorite meal. Show you care by putting in the effort to prepare a dish they love. It's a thoughtful gesture that demonstrates you pay attention to their likes. Third, surprise them with breakfast in bed. This classic romantic gesture is sure to make them feel special and appreciated, setting a positive tone for the day. Fourth, explore new recipes together. Trying out new cuisines can spark excitement in your relationship and ignite meaningful conversations. Finally, host a dinner party for friends. Sharing food with others can strengthen your connection while creating a supportive social network. By incorporating these 5 strategies, you'll express your love and appreciation through the universal language of food. Cooking is not just about the meal, it's about the love and effort behind it. So, roll up your sleeves and let the culinary romance begin.